In a world where every woman deserves dignity, safety, and respect, Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry proudly presents the Women's Enclave. Under the leadership of Haji Nasir Mahmood, Group Leader Shaheen Group, Mr. President Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Ahmed Hassan, Senior Vice President Ikram Afzal Butt, Vice President Mirza Adnan Atta, and Tariq Salamat, Chairman FIA Committee, Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry, changing lives, empowering women. The Women's Enclave provides complete support under one roof. Police Reporting Center, immediate help with complete confidentiality, direct coordination with social welfare for domestic violence, forced marriage, divorce and custody cases, Women's Ombudsman Services, protecting inheritance rights and fighting workplace harassment, Cybercrime Unit, fighting online harassment, stalking, hacking and fraud, free legal aid, expert lawyers at zero cost, professional counseling, family, psychological, legal and educational support, women's driving school, daily classes from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. because independence has wheels, plus complete documentation services, certificates, verification, FIR copies and registration, all under one roof, all for her. Women's Enclave, where every woman finds her strength. One window facilitation center. One place, all services, complete convenience. Nadra e-Sahulat Counter, Police Khidmat Markaz, Driving License Test Center, Overseas Counter, Excise and Taxation Help Desk, GEPCO Help Desk, FBR Help Desk, Federal Tax Ombudsman, Punjab Job Portal, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Masjid, Conference Room. Dinner area, President Office, Display Center, Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry, all under one roof, all for you. Gujarat Chamber, where convenience is your right.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।